Hey guys, I have the ProShot helmet mounting system. I just got it in like a few days ago, and as you know, I use the SoPro mount usually, but I wanted to test this one also. I think this one's going to work better on my Climb Krios helmet than the SoPro mount, just because that's a full face with a visor, and how it straps on, I'll show you. So as you might recall from my other video, this is how I have the SoPro GoPro mounting system on this helmet. This is a F5 helmet. It goes through here, or if I were to have it reversed, the two straps would go up here. Either way, it would go where a visor on a traditional helmet is. It doesn't work so good on a full face helmet. It works, but the visor stays cracked, doesn't work that good. Okay guys, so this is my Climb Krios helmet, and this is visor shut. You're not going to be able to get in the SoPro mount into here. That's where I think the ProShot is going to work a lot better. So let's take a look at this and see how it attaches to this. Now, if you go to the link below, it's going to go to Amazon and it's going to be white. If you go, I'll also have the link right to ProShot. This video is not sponsored by them. I just wanted to try this out and think it's the only solution for filming with the a full face helmet. You get the bionic Velcro, 2 pieces. That's a downside, because if you have more than one helmet, I can only attach this to that helmet and that's it. And they have a rubber band going around. So it's flexible. That's what it looks like. And then you got the bionic Velcro, which is good Velcro. So it's not going to come undone. Basically, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Just snap the Velcro into place. And unlike the fabric Velcro, that's going to stay on really well. I already know that's good stuff. It's pretty expensive. And don't worry about this. This is just my mic cable. It's just dangling. So take this and you figure it out. I don't have to worry about the visor. It's going to attach. And yeah. Now what might not work well is these vents being here. I'm going to see. So this is going to be off camera. What do you guys think? It's kind of hard because this helmet has vents right here on the side. As you can see, and the shape of it doesn't lend itself too well for how this would attach. I just put the frame on so you could get the gist of it. Bad part is, the negative part is they only give you the one set of bionic Velcro. So if I mess up where I stick it, I'm SOL, unless I happen to have bionic Velcro on here, which I don't. But I mean, I can get some. It's not the cheapest stuff, but I can get some. And I guess this isn't too bad right here. So just kind of feeling around and seeing. And usually I'm looking at my other helmet hanging up, and the F5, it has a flatter area on the side too. So I don't know, maybe I'm being too picky. Maybe I just need to stick it on like that and call it good. And it will have enough surface stuck to that it's not going to matter. Thing is, once I peel that tape, I'm going to have to be pretty, like hold it out, get it where I want it, and see. Yeah, that'll work. I think that'll work right there. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take alcohol and wipe off all the area you're going to plan to stick this to. Due to not knowing 100%, I'm just going to kind of clean off a big chunk space over here, big chunk of the helmet. Basically all you're doing is taking off any grease from your hands. Now the nerve-wracking part, because I only have one set of bionic Velcro. I know it's expensive, but it would be nice if they tossed in a couple extra sets. I mean, if you had an extra helmet or messed up, at least one more set. You know, a pair for each side. Okay. Set this there. Oh God, I hope I get this. Yeah, that's the thing. It's good sticky stuff. I think I lined it up pretty good. Smash down the sides. Of course, on this helmet's going to hang off a little bit by that vent, which I hope's not a big deal. Toss in the speaker wire or mic wire. Toss that in there. Okay. Think I got it on, and I mean, it's on. I don't think that's going to come off. I think there's enough of it on there gripping. Wearing this and finding out over time is going to be how I find out how the ProShot ends up working really good. Looks like, you know, I'll have to figure out what the lean for this will need to be. Let's see, helmet typically, eyes looking here out. So probably like that, but hopefully that works. So there's the ProShot compared to the SoPro mount, and I'll be trying this out in March in New Mexico. So we'll see how the shots turn out. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.